This is a tea bag organizer, and the brand sent this to me so I can put it together and do a review. And let's open this up. So we will be putting this together today. There is assembly tools included. Step 1. Looks like these things go towards the inside. Those are similar. Okay. And then screws going here. No, that's not right, is it? Well, there we go. What I just did is I put one of these on the side, making sure that this ledgy part goes in, is facing in. I added these two to this back side with these smaller screws, and tightened them with the smaller little doodad, and then added this board to the middle here with the bigger screws with the bigger doodad. Reverse it and add the stuff to this side. So again, ledge goes facing in, smaller screws into the pipe looking things. Bigger. And the bigger doodad. And put it like that. So we were able to take all of this and we were able to put it all into this. I absolutely love it.